Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we're introducing a project that offers a completely free airdrop opportunity. The project we want to highlight today is Beamable. It has successfully raised $13.5 million in funding, led by Bitcraft Ventures and P2 Ventures, along with several other investors, which you can check out on CryptoRank. The airdrop program has been officially confirmed by the project team, and Beamable is considered a promising project. Before we dive into the details of how to participate in the airdrop, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on potential future projects. Also, make sure to watch the video until the end to avoid missing any important information about the airdrop process. Beamable, the next big DEPIN airdrop? Beamable is considered the next major DEPIN airdrop, aiming to revolutionize Web3 gaming infrastructure with the backing of several major partners. Beamable is a DEPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure network, project that focuses on providing decentralized infrastructure solutions for the gaming industry. The platform leverages distributed computing, storage, and bandwidth to reduce costs, enhance performance, and incentivize user participation through tokens. How to claim the Beamable Airdrop. Step 1. Register for the airdrop. First, visit the link provided in the video description. Enter your email address and click Verify Email. Check your inbox and confirm your email. Next, create a username and click Enter Beamable Network Community Hub to proceed. Step 2. Earn points. Once on the Beamable dashboard, navigate to the Earn Points tab. Visit Dailies and check in daily to earn 100 points per check-in. Next, go to the Quests tab and complete social media tasks. Let's complete the first task together as an example. The other tasks follow the same process. First, connect your X, Twitter account and click Authorize App. Return to the Quests page and retweet the designated post. If the system lags, refresh the page and try again. Once successful, you'll receive 500 points. Step 3. Complete additional tasks. Navigate to the Start tab and follow the project's official accounts. Watch closely as I guide you through this process. Once done, claim your badge as a reward. That wraps up our introduction to Beamable and its airdrop participation guide. We hope this content is helpful to you. If you found this video valuable, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more potential airdrop opportunities in the near future. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.